Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the secrets buried in company filings. Today we're diving into Planet Labs PBC's latest announcement that might just shake things up. So what is going on with Planet Labs? It looks like they've just entered into a new agreement and they're telling us it is not going to change their financial outlook. This is usually a good sign, but we're going to dig in to see if there is more to this story than meets the eye. Also, if you are new here and you want to understand what these corporate documents really mean and how they can impact your investments, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to chat with fellow finance enthusiasts and get more insights, join our Discord community linked in the description below. Alright, let us start by looking at what kind of securities this company has. We see here class of common stock and also warrants to purchase class of common stock at an exercise price of $11.5 per S-Hair. This tells us that investors can buy shares directly or they can hold warrants which give them the right to buy shares at a set price in the future. What is interesting is that these warrants have an exercise price of $11.5. This means that if the stock price goes above $11.5, it becomes more attractive for warrant holders to convert their warrants into actual shares. This can have an impact on the total number of shares outstanding and potentially dilute the value of existing shares if a lot of warrants are exercised. The date of this report is the 12th of January 2026. So it's a very recent announcement. This filing is from Planet Labs PBC, a company that focuses on Earth imaging and data analytics. They offer satellite imagery and data services to a wide range of customers, including businesses, governments, and researchers. Their goal is to provide timely and frequent data about our planet to help people make better decisions. This shows us that Planet Labs is publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange. This means they have to follow strict rules for reporting their financial information and company activities to the public. Now let's get to the juicy part. The company is issuing this report to tell us about a new agreement they've entered into. Regulation FD, or fair disclosure, is a rule that requires companies to share important information with everyone at the same time. They don't want to give any one investor an unfair advantage. The most important takeaway from this section is that Planet Labs is saying this new agreement does not change their current financial expectations for the quarter ending the 31st of January 2026 and the full fiscal year ending the 31st of January 2026. They have attached a press release dated the 12th of January 2026 as Exhibit 99.1. This press release is where we would usually find the details about this new agreement. However, the document we are looking at right now doesn't give us those details. It's like getting a notification that a package has arrived, but you don't know what is inside yet. The main message here is that the company is trying to reassure investors that, despite this new development, business as usual is expected. Finally, we have this entry about the cover page interactive data file. This just means that the electronic filing itself contains data that can be read by computers, making it easier for financial systems to process the information. It is a technical detail that helps with data management behind the scenes. So what is my take on this? Planet Labs is making a new deal, and they want everyone to know it doesn't affect their bottom line. On one hand, this signals confidence. They are likely saying this agreement is strategic and either brings in predictable revenue or helps them in a way that doesn't require changing their current financial forecasts. It could also be that the agreement is structured in a way that its financial impact will be recognized in future periods, not the immediate ones. However, the lack of detail in this specific filing about the agreement itself is a bit of a mystery. We'd need to read the actual press release mentioned as Exhibit 99.1 to understand the nature and significance of this new deal. Is it a partnership, a new customer contract, a joint venture, or something else entirely? Without that information, it is hard to say if this is a truly positive development or just a minor operational update. The key strength here is the company's confidence in its existing financial guidance. It suggests they have a solid understanding of their business and its future revenue streams. The main weakness, or rather an area of unknown, is the ambiguity surrounding the new agreement. It leaves investors wanting more information. Looking ahead, Planet Labs operates in a fascinating but competitive market. Their ability to consistently deliver high-quality Earth imagery and valuable data will be crucial. Any new agreement that enhances their data acquisition capabilities, expands their customer base, or opens up new markets would be a significant opportunity. Conversely, risks could involve increased competition, regulatory changes, and the inherent challenges of satellite operations like technical failures or launch issues. In conclusion, while this filing doesn't reveal the nitty-gritty of the new agreement, it shows Planet Labs is operating with a steady hand on its financial projections. We'll be keeping a close eye on that press release to get the full picture. Alright, that is our breakdown of this Planet Labs filing. What do you think about this announcement and the company's financial outlook? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more regular deep dives into corporate filings. Don't forget to join our Discord community for more discussions and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.